Gumamit kung ano kung gusto nyo gamitin din na materials. So, meron po tayong glue stick glue na mga ganun. Meron din pong paints. Kahit ano kung gusto nyo design, okay lang po. Wala pong problema. So, yun lang po. You can start na po. And kung mas comfortable po kayo, meron po tayo ng mga table po. Para po you can start na po. Thank you po.
Wow, you can start na. Wow. Kuha ka ng frame, Leo.
One word ate. You can anything you want.
We can go there, Leo, sa ano, sa table.
Where's your Ganito po yung mga example na nagawa ng ibang parents kanina with their students. So, thank you po.
Thank you.
You want mommy more?
Hindi nagdala si mama ng ano. Ang dami pa namang flowers ni mama sa bahay. Yana. Yana.
That's not yours, maybe not. Here's Stella, you can go with Ate Jane here. At dito na lang po kayo sa loob. Here, you hold the board. You hold the frame. You're so happy, Gusto mo ba yan? What more? Yana? You're still here. Gusto mo yung mga exciting yan?
Anong gawa mo?
I'm making an art.
Art what? Art piece? Yeah? What kind of art piece?
A painting.
Painting.
What's on the gun?
Ayun, journey. Oh, how?
Dapat Pinterest inspired yan. Dapat Pinterest. Baka pang 5-minute crafts ka lang. The purple one. Mama will make a bubble using the flowers.
Babo.
Yan kaya yung panggawa ng bubble. Bonggambilya at saka gumamila.
Wait lang, Leo, don't paint na ha, our picture.
Mag-adala kayo ng flowers.
Leo.
Ay, Teo, baka malagyan ng pink. Sige.
Artist yarn. Oh, may sariling mundo tong dalawa, oh. Oh, tapos na sila ulit.
Let's go on a field trip, Olivia.
Okay, can you get pictures now?
This is our finished vlog.
Take a chance.
Mariana.
Say bye-bye na to Mariana. Bye-bye, Olivia.
Bye-bye!
So, nakakakada.
Daya!
Take a photo.
There.
So, the teacher Mary, we celebrate the Children's Month po. Ayan, so we're
No.
Oh, yung mata nung hindi.
Dalawa.
Ikaw gusto mo?
Bakit pink?
Pink lang kasi.
Ano yung adik?
yes po, ayun may mga photos po tayo dyan. Maganda nito. No.
Ano na lang, green na lang. Walang partner yun. Yellow na lang. Yellow na lang.
We're celebrating Christmas na.
Yan na. Galingan mo mag-ano.
Ayan.
Oh, this is Liana's naman. We're done with Kuya. And then now, parang ang konti din.
Oh, careful with the scissors. Up. Your finger.
Kuha ka pa ng isang red.
Mariana's mom and then ayun po. Pag-lead niyo po ng ano.
Ano? Tikip ka naman, girl. Puro ka guntay.
Oo, there's too many. Ay, enough na, enough na.
Okay. And then, lagyan natin lagyan. Lagyan natin lagyan ito.
We'll put some sticks. Putulan mo na lang.
Mamaya. Or ano ba? Eh, pwede naman overlap. Okay lang overlap.
Picture na lang po namin kayo with our ano po kasi
Ay, where? Bakit dyan?
Five little elves went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said ho, 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 and four little elves fell in the snow.
Yan na. What are you doing?
Went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said ho, 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 three little elves
Ito pa yan,
fell
ah.
in the snow.
Maybe this one.
Three little elves one day hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said ho,
Hop, hop,
Ah, wait.
and two little elves
Wala tayong
fell
pangsali.
in the
Ay, ito.
Hindi, kasi bububuin ko dun.
Oo nga.
Little elves went out one day and hopped up into Santa's
Wow. Ganda. Pakita mo nga dali. Wow, that's our Christmas frame. Hawakan mo. Wow, yan na. Yan na.
we will
Sige.
ask you na lang po a little ano na lang po introduction here po in France so everyone will know po who sino po yung mga kasama nila ngayon dito sa ano sa loob ng room po ayan so
Yan na, dali na. Ay, hold it.
ayun dyan or you wanna introduce yourself in France na you can introduce yourself